Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel. Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel automatically fills in data based on a pattern you provide. Now, what I want to do is I want to use Flash Fill to populate my column B and column C such that the first name will be inside my column B2 and the second name will be inside my column C2. Then I will now fill other rows. So that's what I want to achieve with my Flash Fill. So to locate your Flash Fill, you will see it under your data tab. So this is my data tab and this is my Flash Fill. Now let's do the first one. Now I'm going to put Olufemi. Now click my Flash Fill. Can you see? Now it will populate the other rows. Now let's see the second one. So maybe Michael. I will do the same Flash Fill, and I will also populate my column C. So I can now delete this and use this as the row 1 as my first name and this as my last name. Good. I hope you've learned something again today. Thank you. If you find my video useful, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.